If you're like most organizations, you probably have product attributes spread across several spreadsheets. Maybe there's one for marketing, one for product management, one for your logistics and compliance teams, and maybe you also have spreadsheets used by sales and customer service. Now, the challenge with product attributes in so many different locations is that there's always these bits and pieces of information just floating around, and you don't have one single source of truth to maintain it all. In fact, eventually, your spreadsheets will start to fall out of sync. For example, you may have a different short description in the spreadsheet for marketing compared to the spreadsheet used by sales. Identifying the mistake and adjusting for accuracy from one spreadsheet to another becomes almost impossible, which means your product data across different channels falls out of sync. So, from the outside-in point of view, there is no consistency of product data as to what sales is using when they're selling face-to-face versus what is being displayed on your BigCommerce store. The next challenge is that many organizations have digital assets that are sitting in several locations, some in a folder on the desktop, some on the LAN server, some on Google Drive, and maybe some on Dropbox. And the challenge with that is if someone's looking for an image, they have to look in 4 different places. In addition, each search will come up with so many search results due to lack of version management that you don't know which search result is the most accurate result, and that leads to the next problem, which is the wrong image has been used, or the wrong media asset has been shared, or even that the asset might be outdated and there is still one out there being used on your BigCommerce store. So to solve all these core challenges, we built Catsy. Catsy empowers all of your teams to centralize all of these media and assets into one single source of truth for your BigCommerce store. And once this single source of truth has been established, you can rally your teams together so all of them can come together and build their respective pieces of content and attach that to the same product record. So you have everything accurate, consistent, and in one place. In addition, on top of that, there is a security layer that empowers your sales and customer service teams to build brand portals, which are also available for your dealers to come in and export that information in the formats that they want the data to be exported. Catsy's product data and digital asset management functionality is built right from day one into the guts of the platform. So the digital asset management in Catsy is completely, fully, and tightly integrated with what's on the product information side. So this deep integration allows your product attributes, product data, and digital assets to sit together so you can manage digital assets and also involve your creative and photography team to directly upload into Catsy, and those uploads end up not only on your BigCommerce store, but also across all of your different sales channels. And finally, we have workflow automation built inside Catsy that notifies users across teams so you can rally them together to contribute towards content completeness. This collaboration, along with content completeness, helps with speed to market, which is the most critical aspect of product information management for brands. And this is why we purpose-built Catsy PIM DAM to get your products to market faster. Request a demo today to learn how Catsy can help you speed your products to market with more accuracy, consistency, and less stress.